Module 2, Lesson 14's objective is to round to the nearest hundred on the vertical number line. Problem 1 says, round to the nearest hundred. Use the number line to model your thinking. Problem A says, 156 equals blank. When counting by hundreds, we know that the number 156 comes in between 100 and 200. The halfway point is 150. Now, just simply plot the number 156. 156 is greater than 150, so I'll plot it right here. Since 156 is greater than 150, you can see that when rounding it to the nearest hundred, the correct answer is 200. Because 156 is closer to 200 than it is 100. Item B says 342. 342 is in between 300 and 400 when counting by hundreds. The midpoint or halfway point would be 350. Now plot where 342 would go. 342 would go about right there. When looking at the number line, you can see that when rounding to the nearest hundred, 342 is closest to the number 300. Item C says 685. The first thing you need to do is determine what two numbers 685 falls in between when counting by hundreds. We know that 685 falls between the numbers 600 and 700 when counting by hundreds. Now you figure out what the halfway point is and label it. Then plot your number on the vertical number line and decide which number it's closest to, 600 or 700. Then write it on the answer line for item C. Do the same with each of the following problems, D, E, and F. For item F, I can see it's a little bit different than the ones we've already done because it's 1,260. 1,260 would be in between the numbers 1,200 and 1,300 when counting by hundreds. The midpoint or halfway point would be 1,250. Now you plot the position for 1,260 on the vertical number line, and then you decide what number it is closest to, 1,200 or 1,300 when counting by hundreds, and then write the answer on the line provided for item F.